Hello and welcome. As a young boy, Reginald Mitchell used to lie in the grass above the sea cliffs and watch the seagulls wheel about gracefully overhead. He visualised those same seagull wings when he began work for Supermarine and designed the elliptical wings of the Spitfire aircraft. He reasoned that thousands of years of evolution couldn't be improved upon. Birds have long held a fascination for mankind. The soaring flight of an eagle, the headlong dive of a peregrine falcon, the hover of a hummingbird. Their streamlined bodies, legs tucked away, and the strong wing feathers at the tips acting like propellers. I wonder whether the swing wing fighter design was inspired by the peregrine falcon's folding of its wings before its high-speed dive. The bird bodies with hollow bones to save weight. Yet you would agree that what distinguishes birds from most every other living creature are the bird's wings, and these come in all shapes and sizes, built for purpose by trial and error over many years. Wings provide forward or backward propulsion and lift as well as drag. A bird transitioning from flight to landing deploys drag and lift, not lost on Reginald Mitchell. Some birds evolved to fly high on thermals and have high aspect wings suitable for prolonged gliding. Birds such as the albatross can live on the wing and circle the oceans riding on wing currents. Short stubby wings are useful for darting in and out of hedges and trees. These wings are somewhat like the short stubby wings of the Red Bull racers. Heavy duty wings, strong and thick, are seen on heavy lift aircraft and modelled so well by nature's heavy birds. You would also notice how birds are streamlined with smooth feathers and smooth body line, designed for flight just as a penguin is streamlined for flight through the water. Mankind's first attempts for flight, based on crude understanding of how birds do it, was not pretty. Strapping on wings covered in feathers and leaping from a tower was always going to end in tears. Flapping crude wings, hoping to defeat gravity, was insane. Yet, with the minimum of equipment but a thorough knowledge of how birds fly, has given some transcendence few will experience. Poet John Gillespie Magee so eloquently penned, "Oh, I have slipped the surly bonds of earth and danced the skies on laughter's silvered wings. Sunward I've climbed and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds and done 100 things you have not dreamed of, wheeled and soared and swung high in the sunlit silence, hovering there. I've chased the shouting wind along and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air." Well said. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and hit the notify bell to make good things happen.